Well, came out to check on the animals today after it finally stopped raining. And big surprise, the cattle were over here by the trees. Tilly and Franny. Hello, ladies. Where the boys at? Dogs are barking about something. Gonna have to go see what that's about. There's the little guy for sale. I can see the goats. I'll get closer to them. Horses were out. This seems to be their hangout spot between these 3 trees. And now I gotta find Buck and Cash. There they are. There's Cash. Buck, Buck. Buck, Buck. Buck, Buck. Buck, Buck. Well, I'm gonna go do my checks on fencing and everything else and check on these goats. I guess I'll check the goats before I get off here so you guys can see them. We have a little more rain in the forecast around 6 p.m. tonight. We'll see if that happens. I'm gonna have to move the cattle here soon, knock down all this stuff that I don't want. Goats have been in here a couple of days. They were in a different spot, but we wanted them closer. Let me get all that right there and all the way down to me. And I know why the girlfriend had me do it, because it's a bigger area. And anybody who has goats or dating or married to anybody with goats, you know it doesn't just stop with 2. So, yeah. Can't wait for that day when she gets home with a smile on her face. And head to the side and go, "You love me, right?" Yeah. Yep. So I do foresee some more goats somewhere in the future of this operation. Wish me the best of luck.